Shiv Sena leader Kishore Tiwari has filed a petition in the Supreme Court. He has filed a petition seeking a judicial inquiry into affairs of the Narcotics Control Bureau and its officials at Mumbai, and to protect the fundamental rights of Aryan Khan, the son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan. Now, in his plea, Kishore Tiwari says the NCB and its officials are involved in a vendetta targeting select film celebrities and a few models for the last 2 years. A special anti-drugs court will pass orders, remember, on Wednesday on Aryan Khan's bail plea. Kishore Tiwari is a well-known farmers leader from the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra and had joined the Shiv Sena a few years ago. Aryan Khan was arrested after a raid on a cruise ship in Mumbai, and the NCB alleged that he was involved in the purchase of drugs and was a regular user. He's currently lodged in Arthur Road jail. Well, let's go across to Saurabh now for more. And Saurabh, this is in keeping with the sort of attacks we've been seeing on the NCB from various parties in power there in Maharashtra, and now this plea has been filed in the Supreme Court by Shiv Sena leader, though the NCB has also come under a lot of criticism from several quarters over the manner in which it's gone about this arrest and protracted jail of Aryan Khan.
Absolutely, and many questions have been raised, especially with the handling of the accused, the way witnesses are, functioning and all of that. So in that context, of course, many have questioned whether it is vendetta and, whether the action against Aryan Khan, especially who's son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, is personal vendetta. In fact, the NCP, the Nationalist Congress Party, in a press conference has alleged that, several NCB officials, the Narcotics Control Bureau, the Anti-Drugs Agency officials, had actually told people that Shah Rukh Khan was the next target. So keeping all this in mind, keeping the questions that have been raised over the functioning of the agency, Shiv Sena leader Kishore Tiwari, who is well known as a farmers leader from the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, has moved the Supreme Court in a petition asking that, there be a judicial probe into the functioning of the Narcotics Control Bureau, and also some sort of steps be taken to protect Aryan Khan's fundamental rights. Now, if he's an user, then what he needs is counseling and not jail, is what many legal experts have also argued. And the brief of the Narcotics Control Bureau or the Anti-Drugs Agency is to go after traffickers, go after cartels. And in that context, many are questioning the way the agency has functioned, in the Rhea Chakraborty case or even in this case. And that's why the Shiv Sena leader, Kishore Tiwari, has moved the Supreme Court, saying that please conduct a judicial probe into the functioning of the NCB and ensure Aryan Khan's fundamental rights are protected.
All right, interesting to see that plea coming in the Supreme Court now. Thanks so much, Saurabh, for joining us with all those details.